Hello guys, how to auto save Excel documents on Windows 11 and Windows 7. You can easily enable or turn on auto save documents after sometimes. If you accidentally forget to save your documents, then if you enable this feature, then your documents will automatically save. Open Microsoft Excel sheet, go to file from the top left corner of the page and choose option. Click on more and choose options. Here from the left side you will find a list of options. From the left side choose, click on save. Thereafter go to right side and various type of option you will find. Auto save files stored in the cloud by default in Excel, and save auto recover information every, reduce the time, and show additional places for saving, save to computer by default. Some various features of saving you will find here. So simply enable the feature auto save files stored in the cloud by default in Excel. After that your Excel file will automatically auto saved. Don't